everyone, this is Thamari Chilvi, Assistant Professor of the Department of Textile and Fashion Designing, AVS College of Arts and Science, Salem. Let us discuss about elements of designs. So elements of designs are the components or part which can be isolated and defined in any visual design or work of art. They structures and carry the work. Basic elements of designs. So these are the basic elements of designs. They are point or mark, line, shape, forms, shape, color and textures. So point. A point or mark is the smallest and most basic element. It can vary a size, value, regularity or irregularity and can be used along as a unit in a group. Marks can be used to form a value or pattern. Placed close together forms a darker value, further apart forms a lighter value, or to delineate space. Large means closer and etc. So line. A line is a form with and length but no depth. Artists use lines to create edges. The outlines of objects. The direction a line can convey mood. Broadly, lines can be categorized into three types: horizontal, vertical and diagonal. So next, shape. Shape is defined as an area that stands out from the space next to or around it due to a defined or implied boundary or because of difference of values, colors and textures. A shape is formed when a line enclosed in area. Shapes have two dimensions, length and width, can be geometric or free form. Forms describes volumes and mass or are the 3D aspects of subjects that take up space. Forms can and should be viewed for any angles. For example, when you hold a baseball or a small sculpture, you are aware of their curves, angles, indications and edges. Space is a 3D volume that can be empty or filled with objects. It has width, height and depth. Space that appears three-dimensional in a 2D painting is an illusion that creates a feeling of actual depth. Several techniques can be used to show such visual depth or space, for examples, overlapping, linear, perspective, etc. So colors. Color has three properties. The first is hues, which is the name of the colors. The primary hues are yellow, red and blue. Secondary colors are made by mixing two primaries. Intermediate colors are mixtures of a primary and adjacent secondary colors. The second property is value, which refers the lightness or darkness of hue. The third property is intensity, which refers the purity of the hue, also known as chroma. So texture. Textures refers to the surface quality, both simulated and actual, of artwork. So next, let us discuss about principles of design. So the principles of design are the artist's guidelines used to organize or arrange the structural elements of designs. So basic principles of designs are the following are the six basic principles of effective designs which are common throughout the field of designing. First one is balance, contrast, emphasis, pattern, rhythm or movement, unity. So balance. Balance refers to the approach arrangement of the in a design create difference of equality, weight, importance. Balance provides stability and structure to a design. Balance may be symmetrical and asymmetrical. The goal should be equally. Balance can be described as having equal sides of a centrally fluid. It is also known as form. Asymmetrical is more complex and physical top environment. It is placement of objects in a that will allow of visual height to balance and one another around a fluidum. It also known as informal. So these are examples. So balance is when both sides are symmetrical in terms of arrangement. So next, balance is informal when sides are not exactly symmetrical, but the resulting image is still balanced. So next, rhythm. Rhythm or movement is regarded as a visual temp or beat. It refers to a regular repetition of elements to produce the look and feel of a movement. Rhythm can be achieved through the careful placement of repeated components. It can be directed, for examples, along edges and by means of shape and color. Rhythm can be categorized random, regular, alternating, progressive, and following. So emphasis. The term emphasis literally means to give importance. Emphasis in designs refers to give special attention to the part of a work of art. It can be achieved through placement, contrast, color, size, repetitions, etc. For example, a dark shape in a light compositions. Next, contrast. Contrast refers to the juxtapositions of different elements of designs. For example, rough and smooth textures, dark and light values, in order to highlight their difference to create visual interest or a focal point. Contrast allows us to emphasize or highlight key elements in your designs. So next, pattern. Pattern in a design simply refers to keeping your designs in a certain format. It is often described as a regular arrangement of alternated and repeated elements like shapes, lines, colors, or motifs. For example, one could plan to have curved lines all around a design as a pattern. So next, unity. Unity refers to an arrangement of elements to give the viewer the feelings that all the parts of the design or piece from a coherent whole. Designs must be in harmony, in which all selections of the pattern make other selections feel complete. It enables the designs to be seen as one complete piece of art or designs.